Uy, si Crush. Pastilan, tugay na kaya ko na yung Crush ng bayana. Patuan ba?
Si Uncle!
Hello! Shout out dahil kay Albert Custodio. Watching from Balongisan Payo, Zamboanga, Sibugay. And shout out naman kay Greg Sakura from Cebu City. And shout out naman po kay Mingkay Vlog. And shout out po kay Ramil Barbas Pastrana. And shout out naman po kay Ma'am Shane Lawrence. Shout out naman po kay Lidy Ann De Loyola. And shout out naman po kay Ailisik Ariam Lalabak. Shout out naman po kay Zil Aranis. Watching from Taiwan, taong laging iniiwan daw. Shout out naman kay Idol Jill Graim Abilia Cadosio. And that's all. Bye. Thank you.